Worried about losing precious memories on your Samsung device? Looking for ways to free up storage or back up your photos securely? In this video, we'll show you reliable methods to back up your Samsung photos and keep them safe. Method 1. How to back up photos on Samsung phone to PC effortlessly. As a top-notch phone backup software, Mobican Backup Manager for Android delivers safe and reliable Android backup solutions. With a simple USB or Wi-Fi connection, it assists in backing up various file categories to your computer. Step 1. Start the tool and link Samsung to PC. Begin by installing the tool on your computer. Link your Samsung phone to the computer using a USB cable. Once connected, the program will automatically detect your device. Step 2. Choose the Backup option. The initial interface will display options for Backup and Restore. Click on the Backup button to proceed. Step 3. Backup photos on Galaxy. On the next page, you will see all data types available. Select Messages to backup and click Backup to put them on your computer. To restore the backup of messages from your computer to your Samsung device, access the Restore option in the main interface. Preview the backup content. Choose the desired one and tap Restore to complete the restoration. Method 2. How to back up photos on Samsung Galaxy via File Explorer. Connect your Samsung to your PC via USB. Allow data access if prompted. Tap the Transferring Files option. Open your device in File Explorer. Drag photos from the DSIM folder to your PC. Method 3. How to back up photos on Samsung Cloud. Go to Settings, Accounts, and Backup, Samsung Cloud. Toggle on the data to back up, then tap Backup Now and wait for the process to complete. Avoid using your phone. Method 4. How to back up photos in Samsung Gallery via Smart Switch. Install Samsung Smart Switch on your PC. Connect your Galaxy via USB. Allow driver installation if needed. Click Backup and wait for it to finish. Your phone's backup, including photos, will be saved. Method 5. How to back up photos from Samsung to Google Photos. Open Google Photos, log in, and tap your profile icon. Go to Photo Settings and enable Backup and Sync. Your photos will back up automatically. Method 6. How to back up photos from Samsung phone to Google Drive. Open your photos or Samsung Gallery. Tap Share, then select Save to Drive. Choose your Google Drive account, select a folder, or create a new one to save the photos. Method 7. How to back up photos from Samsung to OneDrive. Open Gallery, tap the three dots, go to Settings, then Cloud Sync. Link your OneDrive account and follow the prompts to back up.